And here we have another burnt up bearing. Burnt up bearing, new bearing. Burnt bearing, new bearing. Just so you know. Engine bearings. These are replacement engine bearings that I use. Kia. What in the world are y'all thinking? And just one more thing so you know. The main rod bearings are supposed to have a tiny hole right there. I don't know if you are aware of that. Let me see if you get a good, okay. You see that little tiny hole through there? It's supposed to be a hole in the main rod bearings, and I don't know.
I don't think they did.
This does not. I guess this was a burnt up one of the old ones that came off, and it does not. It's a bad design altogether. So making progress. Be back shortly. Got work to do.